Bitcoin money for the most part is a mid-position digital currency presently evaluated at $187.86 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,659,612,453 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Over the sort of past not very many years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a fundamentally solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a really significant way. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they essentially thought. Retail financial backers and merchants especially are genuinely keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the exceptionally potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately essentially brief timeframe. These profits are essentially impossible in different business sectors, which in every practical sense is the justification for why most, all things considered, moderate financial backers by and large are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones for the most part give a critical piece of their by and large funding to this quickly creating resource class, which in a real sense is very huge. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $187.86, where it at present sits, which basically is very huge. As currently referenced, BCH truly is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 21st spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the really metric not set in stone, by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization generally remains at $3,659,612,453. The significance of this boundary will really be made sense of later, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost forecast calculation for the most part is planned in sort of such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough fundamentally evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it basically should be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which essentially is for the most part basic for the in every practical sense, right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its present and future course in an unobtrusive manner. Underneath you will find truly key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market for the most part is going. So on account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization by and large stands at $3,659,612,453. The significance of this boundary will in every practical sense be somewhat made sense of later in an especially enormous manner. Recently, on August 18, BCH for the most part was esteemed at $184.48 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. By and large, recall that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 1.66%, in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on August 12, Bitcoin money sort of was exchanged at $228.98 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its really present situation amazingly. On July 19, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $244.39, the cost level that is at the distance of 23.13% from where it presently stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX generally are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they truly thought. Market capitalization basically is one more significant genuinely metric that essentially assists brokers in every practical sense with deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money for the most part holds inside the whole digital currency market. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization explicitly is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to by and large is duplicated by its ongoing cost, which generally is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH for the most part remains at $3,659,612,453, enough to name it the 21st outright biggest coin on the digital money market, or so the for the most part thought. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money by and large remained at $3,593,552,954, which for the most part is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on August 12, the capitalization of BCH really was $4,459,023,773. A month prior, on July 19, how much really capital streaming around this specific market commonly added up to $4,754,146,935, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances, which sort of are the genuinely normal event on this profoundly unstable market. It's genuinely evident that the pretty previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to order it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering in an unpretentious way. Since we generally have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization, it would be in every practical sense suitable to commit a piece of this report to the stockpile of BCH in a genuinely significant manner. In fact, for extremely rare data, there sort of are three kinds of supply for practically every digital currency. The greatest stock, which in a real sense implies the quantity of coins that would be created on an especially specific blockchain, all through its presence. The especially complete stock, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the origin of the undertaking. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in sort of different words, that are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The greatest stockpile of Bitcoin money fundamentally is 21,000,000 BCH. The genuinely complete stockpile of BCH right now especially remains at 19,480,313 coins. Incredibly, the flowing inventory of the digital money under survey explicitly is 19,480,313 BCH. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't essentially be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the in every practical sense metric utilized by basically all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which for the most part is very critical. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the essentially low exchanging volume, there generally is a kind of high likelihood that this move especially is unreasonable and would sort of bring about a bullish snare in a very